Welcome. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. Today I'm talking with Frank Hill from Stratus Technologies. Hi, Frank. I'm really glad to see you again and talk with you again. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Teresa.
So for those who don't know, why don't you tell us about what Stratus Technologies does?
Yeah, in high level, Stratus has platforms, computer platforms. They're designed to never fail, and they're also designed to be operationally simple. So we've now had a 14-year partnership with Rockwell to deliver the capabilities of computing and computing at the edge.
And last year, this time when I talked to you at Automation Fair, you had just introduced your ZTC Edge computing solution. And so what's new this year?
Yeah, the ZTC has been a hot product in the industrial automation space. As you recall, it's a DIN rail mountable system that provides built-in virtualization and the fault-tolerant redundancy that you would normally expect from a Stratus computer. And these things are designed to last for a long time. The exciting news that has just come out in the last couple of weeks is that the ZTC platform has been characterized by the process team, the PlantPAx product team, and we're included in the new PlantPAx selection guide. You know, as you guys know, 5.0, the PlantPAx 5.0 solution has specific features to be able to support smaller locations. So they have a solution called Pass Consolidated, and combined with Thin Manager and running on a ZTC Edge platform from Stratus really gives you a solution in a box for small locations with the availability and supportability that you need in the field.
And do I understand correctly that you're the only third-party product in the selection guide?
That's right. Stratus is deemed to have enough value for Rockwell and be able to deliver their edge computing capabilities that Stratus was selected to be part of the PlantPAx solution.
That speaks to the value of your product. So what's coming up next? What can people do to take next steps to find out what's going on with your company or how you guys can help them?
Well, Stratus is globally engaged with Rockwell Automation and the Rockwell Automation Distribution Network. So next steps, I would recommend anybody come over to the Stratus booth at Automation Fair. This content, whether you're coming during the live event or it'll live on the web for 6 months. So at our booth, we have a lot of great content. If you want to see a live demo of the ZTC product, we have an engineer who's gone through the solution, shows you the interface, shows you some failure modes, shows you how you can save time and effort in managing remote locations. That's all available right in the booth. The other place you can look for information is to go to our website, stratus.com. And if you go /RA, that'll bring you to our Rockwell Automation microsite. It'll have sizing tools for both the FT server product and ZTC. It'll have video case studies and stuff like that.
That's fabulous. Thank you, Frank. This is very helpful. It was great talking to you again this year.
And look forward to seeing you next year live at Automation Fair.
All righty. I'm Teresa Hauk, and I'm with the Journal magazine, and we'll talk to you again soon.